you missed everything that happened during today's session, do not worry. We're getting you caught up right now on the only stocks you need to know about today. It's time for your top 10. Number 10, Apple down a fraction after a judge ruled that the company, quote, played a central role in conspiring with 5 publishers to fix electronic book prices. Apple now faces a separate trial to determine damages.
Allscripts jumping about 10% today. The healthcare info tech company said it expects to report an increase in contract bookings for the second quarter. Allscripts sees more than $200 million in bookings, up from $194 million in the same quarter last year.
And at number 8 is Walter Energy. The stock is up about 0.5%. Earlier, it was higher than 5% after Raymond James bumped the coal producer up to a market perform. And Raymond James citing Walter Energy's strengthening financial position for the upgrade. There have been some concerns about its loan covenants, but analysts have been saying the company's been making progress on that front.
All right, number 7 is T-Mobile, up nearly 2%. The wireless carrier has added contract customers for the first time in 3 years, reaching a key milestone in its turnaround plan. For more on this news, you can catch T-Mobile's CEO on Bloomberg West tonight at 6 p.m. Eastern.
And Hewlett-Packard shares the PC maker up nearly 2% as Citigroup raises the stock to buy from sell. The firm believes that HP's services business could strengthen it better. That's their biggest business. That's what it's all about.
And number 5 is Tribune. That stock is up about 3%. The media company planning to spin off its newspaper publishing business, which includes the LA Times, the Chicago Tribune, and the Baltimore Sun. This move will allow Tribune to focus on its more profitable local television business. Guys, if you've been looking for where the stock is, it's on the pink sheets. TRBAA is where you would find that stock move today.
Yeah, pink sheet's about as far away from the New York Stock Exchange as you can possibly get. And, just it speaks to how difficult it's been to make money in the print business. I mean, over and over. And, of course, that is exactly one of the reasons why Murdoch just split News Corp into publishing versus TV.
Yeah. It's a tough business. I mean, we were just talking about Maxim, right? Being sold for
Bingo.
$20 million, 1/10 the price it went for.
If Maxim can't make it, who can?
Number 4 is Family Dollar, up 8%. It's making it. The discount retailer's third quarter earnings beat Wall Street estimates on sales and on profit growth. Family Dollar also says it expects customers to remain under financial pressure, which is actually a good thing for a company like Family Dollar because people are trading down shopping in a place like that.
Yeah, it sure is. Howard Davidovitz of Davidovitz and Associates points out these are the stores that, quote, in his words, make Target and Walmart look expensive. So Family Dollar, cheap values, people trying to save money. All right, let's talk about Best Buy. Shares falling 5% after Cleveland Research said the retailer's U.S. same-store sales appear to be slowing. The firm also says fundamentals remain challenging at Best Buy. That is effectively the same difference.
And number 2 is Yum Brands. Those shares are down just fractionally ahead of the second quarter earnings report. Analysts surveyed by Bloomberg are looking for a profit of 54 cents a share on revenues of $2.9 billion. Although, as we've been talking about, the all-important number here is going to be that same-store sales number for China. Analysts, on average, looking there for a drop of 12.2%, which would be a smaller decline than we saw last quarter, the prior quarter. Keep it here, of course, for full coverage and instant analysis of those results. I'll be bringing them to you when they come out.
All right, we're getting to our number 1 stock of the day, and it is Dell, down less than 1%. Carl Icahn is urging Dell shareholders to seek a higher price for their shares in court. The push for an appraisal comes as the deadline for Dell investors to decide on which offer they like. Icahn's or Michael Dell's moves closer.